effects of earthquake on my community. Bidlay ka kasabot, may gingnan na beta ka. Hey guys, it's Kevin John Lonzaga and welcome to my vlog. So today, let's talk about the effects of earthquake on my community, specifically on Sicilia, San Luis, Agusan del Sur. Before we start, Charles, we are already starting. So since Philippines is part of the Pacific Ring of Fire which are prone to earthquakes and volcanic eruptions, normal raguro no nga na earthquakes. Here in Sicilia, we've encountered numerous earthquakes in different magnitudes. One of those has the highest magnitude, and one of those is dili ra kaayo kusog. Every time nga na earthquake nga mag-occur here in Sicilia, so one of that effects is landslide. There are instances nga mag-earthquake nga ga landslide, especially on higher areas here in Sicilia. So may mga ano dire, kasi mga buntod-buntod. So na instances nga pag mag-earthquake, mag-landslide yun siya. So the second one is land crack. So there was one time that an earthquake occur, medyo taas-taas yung magnitude. So dito nga part pod nga nagbrasyag nahati ang land. So after the earthquake, nag-crack ang land. Next one is that facility cracks or breakings. So there was one time nga we are attending church, Sunday man to, Catholic church, and then suddenly nag-earthquake. An earthquake occurs, medyo dugay-dugay po siya nag-stop. Tapos medyo nagpanic ang people in the Philippines. So nanagami under the tables, sa mga bangko. After the earthquake, ang church ato is wala siya na finishingan og cement. So makita pa ang hollow blocks nga nagdikit-dikit. So during the earthquake, kibala naglihog-lihog ang simbahan. Basyag na-aksyon leaking, basyag nag-crack ang simbahan. Dito nga part sa entrance gyud. So nangatagak gyud ang uban hollow blocks. So nag-break ang uban hollow blocks hangtod nangatagak ang uban pero dili na kay gagmer. So dili man gyapon, dili siya worst gyud nga pagka-break. Gagmay lang na nangatagak. So there are psychological effects of an earthquake. One of that is trauma. There are people nga na naapektuhan gud sa earthquake ang ilang brain, kibalibrag na branas lag na trauma. So I guess that's all for today. Goodbye class. Sorry. So natin ko yung note guys. I list here the various effects of earthquake. So I guess maura man guro to. Ay okay. So napadahay ka ng tsunami. So like tsunami rin sa Sicilia. So in order to avoid earthquake, we must be prepared yun. The first thing we must do is to be prepared because earthquake didn't do warnings. So wala gid siya mga warnings nga ugma mag-earthquake ana. So kibali impromptu yun ng earthquake kung takabalog ka nas So the only thing we can do is to be prepared. And mga first aid kit, first aid kit, tapos mga foods, ready to eat foods like canned goods or anything, tapos flashlights kay in case nga mga ma-stuck sa buildings or baka pero way buildings dito sa sila. Pero sa other places like kana mga lungsod. Okay guys, that's all for today. Goodbye. So please like, subscribe, and recommend, share to your friends. Handsome man like. Tao guys, goodbye.